This is the Earth's ozone layer. It protects us from harmful UV rays. But what is ozone? How is it created? How does it work? To answer these questions, we'll be going down to about 15 miles above the surface of the Earth to the stratosphere. The ozone layer is created when short-wave UV radiation from the sun breaks down O2 oxygen molecules in the lower stratosphere. The resulting O1 molecules are unstable and attach themselves to O2 oxygen molecules to create O3, or ozone. The ozone layer doesn't stop all UV radiation. That's why we still need sunscreen. But without it, life on Earth as we know it would not exist. Let's head down to the surface and see another way ozone is created. There's that great fresh smell you get right after a lightning storm. That smell is ozone, and it works as nature's air purifier. When electricity passes through the air, some of the O2 oxygen molecules split into single oxygen atoms. They will temporarily bond with O2 molecules to form O3 molecules, or ozone. These ozone molecules are unstable. One of the oxygen atoms is released to bond with other receptive molecules. For example, molecules associated with odors of smoke or organic decay. This chemical reaction is called oxidation, and it changes the receptive molecules into new, odorless molecules. If the O3 molecules can't find other receptive molecules with which to bond, they quickly revert back to their most stable state, which is pure oxygen. Ozone has a relatively short half-life, transitioning back to oxygen at a rate of 50% every half hour. So even at high concentrations, ozone reverts to safe levels quickly. Now that we know what ozone is and how it can effectively and safely remove odors, how do we go about producing it? There are two ways that ozone is commercially generated: UV light and corona discharge. UV light generators produce less ozone and are less effective at neutralizing odors. Corona discharge, on the other hand, is the preferred way of generating ozone for odor removal and sanitization.